The ethical speaker, respecting intellectual property. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on preparation for public speaking and presentations. Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic, respecting intellectual property. This is part of our broader focus on ethical considerations in researching for your speech or presentation. Firstly, let's define what we mean by intellectual property. In simple terms, intellectual property refers to creations of the mind, such as inventions, literary and artistic works, designs, and symbols, names, and images used in commerce. When it comes to public speaking, this might involve using someone else's ideas, research data, theories, graphics, or other types of work. Remember, intellectual property is protected by law. This means that we must respect others' creations just as we would respect their physical property. But why is it so crucial to respect intellectual property in public speaking? Here are two main reasons. 1. Ethical reason. It's the right thing to do. People spend time, energy, and resources to create their works. By acknowledging their efforts, you are showing respect and appreciation for their work. 2. Legal reason. As mentioned earlier, intellectual property is legally protected. Not respecting someone else's intellectual property can lead to legal consequences, like fines and lawsuits. Now, how can you respect intellectual property when you are preparing for your speech or presentation? Here are a few tips. 1. Always give credit where it's due. If you use someone else's work, make sure to acknowledge them. You can do this by citing their work in your speech or presentation. 2. Avoid plagiarism. Plagiarism is the act of taking someone else's work or ideas and passing them off as your own. It's a serious ethical breach, and it can harm your reputation. 3. Ask for permission. If you want to use a significant portion of someone else's work, it's often a good idea to ask for their permission first. Respecting intellectual property is an essential part of preparing for any speech or presentation. Not only does it demonstrate your integrity as a speaker, but it also protects you from potential legal issues. Remember, when you respect others' intellectual property, you are showing your respect for their hard work and creativity. We hope you find this lesson helpful. Join us in our next video where we'll continue our series on preparing for public speaking and presentations. Happy learning!